In this class, we are going to learn how we can create an application in Apex Workspace using the gallery or starter apps within a few seconds. Suppose if you want to create an application or if you want to see how the application will look like in Apex in few seconds, you don't want to spend entire day building the application, then what you can do is you can just click on this app builder over here. Other method is you can just click on this app builder at the toolbar, that is in the navigation toolbar at the top. And there are two options over here: create a new app, install a starter, or sample app. You can just click on this and it will open up the gallery over here, what we had seen clicking on the gallery. We can select one among them and install. Other method is we can straight away from the FX homepage, that is over here, instead of going to app builder, we can click on the gallery. And here also you can click on install. It will install the application and the necessary database objects. Now let's come back to the app builder. I will go to the app builder. So a couple of options we have seen: click on gallery and click on install, or else we can just click on install over here. Other option is click on the create new app, the third option. Here it will ask what should be the name. I won't select anything. Rather, what I will do is I will browse the apps in the gallery. Click on this. Again, it will open the gallery for me and I will just see how the charts will look like in Apex, that is the sample charts. I will click on this install. Suppose if you want to have a documentation, more info on this sample charts, you can just click on this, or application details. I will click on install. So it will take a couple of seconds in order to fully install the application or the sample app in our workspace, that is under the app builder. So it will be creating multiple pages which will show each and every chart in Apex Workspace. Our application has got installed successfully and we don't see anymore that install button. Rather, we are seeing edit and preview, that is the run. It will open the application in a full window in our browser. So we can just straight away click on preview, or else what we can do is we can go over to our Apex homepage. From here we can go to the app builder. Alternatively, we can click on the navigation toolbar at the top and you can straight away go to the app builder as well. As soon as you click on app builder, now we don't see that couple of options: create new app and install from the starter app. Rather, we are seeing the application over here, that is the sample charts. Suppose if you are having n number of applications created in your workspace, then it will list all the applications over here in the list. I will click on this edit over here and get into the application. So here you will see almost all the pages which are created by Oracle, right from login page to the logout and the sample charts, areas, Gantt chart, pie chart. There are n number of charts which Oracle has demonstrated with the help of these sample apps. Now we can just get into each one of the pages and modify the look and feel of each and every chart over here. Now you might ask that how I will preview this application. There are a couple of methods. One is from the gallery. Straight from the gallery, you can just click on this preview. Suppose if you have created a sample app based application, you can click this. Otherwise, go to the app builder, get into your application and click on this run page. So click on this, it will open a new page on the browser. So it will ask you to authorize. I will populate quickly my username and password. So as soon as you log in into your application by populating username and password, it will show you this landing page for the application. So it will create a tab at the top. So this is using the universal theme by default, not the Redwood theme. Now it has added the navigation menu and it has created a lot of pages over here, or the options in the navigation menu. Clicking on each of the tile over here, it will open up the new page. Now I have clicked on the area, it has opened the area chart over here. Now all these things are controlled by this area page over here, Gantt page. So Oracle has created n number of pages that is to show the capability of each and every chart in Apex. You can just come back, that is by clicking on home over here. And if you want to see how the bar chart will look like in Apex, just click on this. It will open up the bar page. In the browser tab, you can see that after application name, it changes the page to what it has set over here, like the bar, area, scatter, so on and so forth. So like this, we can preview the application and see how the application will look like in Oracle Apex in few seconds. That is, from prototype to making the application live, it just takes a couple of seconds.